Hi folks, St. Paul Steam here with a Jensen number 5 cast base, and I did a pretty thorough restoration on this and it came out pretty well. The base has all been bead blasted and repainted, and I've actually put 2 oilers in the top of each of the stanchion, replaced the axle with a longer one, and made a 5-tiered pulley for it so it can do some functioning work. And let's give a look around. The firebox came out beautiful on this, really cleaned up well. I blasted it down too and reshot it, and made a chimney for it. Presents pretty well. The boiler didn't clean up perfect, but it's very respectable and solid. Rebuilt the whole sight glass, cleaned everything, polished everything, and got it running really well. My joy is bringing these back to life. Let's take a little bit closer look. It's powering up right now. Steam's building. I drilled and tapped the stanchions and threaded them to accept these little oil cups, and I think that's something I'm probably going to do mostly in the future now, because I really like it. It really puts the oil right where you need it, and it's attractive, I think. Okay, while she's building up the steam, we'll give it a couple of minutes and we'll be right back. Oh, I gave it a 3/16 heavy gauge cloth covered retro wire on it. Really a stiff wire. It was hard to get that Hayco strength relief on back on there because it's so darn thick. Rebuilt the safety valve. It's got a threaded nut on it, so it's kind of adjustable. It's set at pretty high pressure right now. And this has got a really, really strong heater in it. Let's see where we're at. Well, we might have enough to go right now. Alright, let's give it a try. Okay, wow. Really strong heater in this one. Comes up to steam quickly. I'm going to turn the juice reducer down. About on 70 volts now. Alright, and we're steaming right away. Cylinder's good and solid. About all my cord's gonna let me go there. Pulley's good and true. Let's open her up a bit. Thanks for watching, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. Jensen number 5, probably late 50s, early 60s. Bye now.